Hello kids, how are you all? Hope all of you are doing well. So today we will be starting with the third chapter, that is Tale of Winnie. Students, it is a real life story about a dolphin fish who lost her tail. This particular fish has also acted in one of the movie. So let's start. First we will be doing the warm-up exercise. What is the fear of spiders called? The fear of spiders is called arachnophobia. So I'll just write it over here. Arachnophobia. The next one, name the animals that can survive on a diet that is 99% bamboo. Any guesses? It is pandas. What it is? Pandas. Interesting. 99% bamboos. They eat many other things, but 99% bamboos. Name the fastest animal on the land. It is none other than cheetahs. Many of you might be knowing this. It is none other than cheetahs. Which animal can live lifetime without water? It's kangaroo rat. It's a small rat, not kangaroo. Kangaroo rat. It is a very small rat which can live without water. Kangaroo rat. Okay. So I'm writing it over here. All of you can see it. I'll write it again. It's a kangaroo rat. So shall we move ahead? Yes. So now we will be starting the chapter. As I already told you, who is Winnie? Winnie is the name of the fish. Fine. So Winnie's story has inspired millions of people all over the world. बहुत सारे लोगों को, पूरी दुनिया के लोगों को इंस्पायर किया, क्योंकि स्टोरी ही ऐसी है विनी की. कौन है विनी? विनी एक डॉल्फिन फिश है. Every day, scores of visitors are welcome to Clearwater Marine Aquarium. Scores means many people. They come here where Winnie stays. और विनी कहाँ रहती है? विनी रहती है Clearwater Marine Aquarium. She lives there. So वहाँ पर बहुत सारे लोग डेली आते हैं, स्पेशली विनी को देखने के लिए. बट ऐसा क्यों है? ऐसा क्या है विनी में? So let's see. Among them are those who have similar tails. उसमें से कुछ ऐसे भी हैं जो विनी की कहानी से मिलते जुलते हैं या उससे कनेक्टेड हैं. ऐसे कई लोग हैं. At first, officials at the Clearwater Marine Aquarium on the Gulf Coast of Florida, USA thought Alex call was a prank. Now it is in the flashback. क्या हुआ था? Where is this marine aquarium? If you ever go to US or Florida, if you get a chance, please visit this place. I told you na, it's a real life story. तो क्या हुआ था? Clearwater Marine Aquarium पर किसका कॉल आया था? There was a person, Alex. और जो लोग वहाँ रहते थे Clearwater Marine में, उन्होंने सोचा कि कोई मजाक है. It's a prank. Prank is what? कोई उनसे मजाक कर रहा है. Why so? Who is this person, Alex? Gary said he had heard on the radio about the injured dolphin that was rescued from a crab trap. Gary ने क्या बोला कि रेडियो में मैंने क्या सुना है कि एक डॉल्फिन जो बुरी तरह से इंजर्ड हो गई है, जख्मी हो गई है, उसको बचाया गया है क्रैब से. He wanted to see if he could build the animal a prosthetic. तो वो आकर देखना चाहता है. कौन आना चाहता है? गैरी. गैरी wants to come and see अगर वो विनी का एक प्रोस्थेटिक टेल बना दे. अब क्या हुआ था? उस इंसिडेंट में विनी ने अपनी टेल लूज कर दी थी, उसकी टेल चली गई। विनी की कोई टेल नहीं है। तो इस डॉल्फिन जिसका नाम विनी है उसके पास टेल नहीं है। सो यू कैन इमेजिन हाउ मिजरेबल हर लाइफ हैज बिकम। सो गैरी वॉन्ट्स टू कम एंड वॉन्ट्स टू सी इफ ही कैन डू समथिंग फॉर दिस लिटिल फिश by making a prosthetic tail. Now what is prosthetic, kids? Artificial body part. So artificially he wanted to make a tail for Winnie to improve her life condition. Wonderful. To replace the one that has been amputated. The other word is amputated. What he wants to replace? He wants to replace that part of the tail or that body part which is being damaged or is of no use. So what is amputated? Cut off a body part by a surgical operation. So he wants to cut that part और उसकी जगह एक नई tail, एक artificial tail बनाना चाहता है. So who is Alex? Alex, who is one of the world's leading prosthetists. So he is one of the famous, one of the leading world prosthetic who can build a artificial part. और ये खाली यूएस का नहीं, पूरे वर्ल्ड का बेस्ट prosthetic doctor है. So he wants to work with Winnie's tail. Isn't it nice? Convinced the dolphin's caretakers of his abilities and drove from Orlando to meet with them that day. So what he wants, that जो भी caretaking कर रहा है विनी की, उनसे वो एक बार आकर मिलना चाहता है. तो वो डॉक्टर आकर मिलना चाहता है. He's such a nice person. When he heard about Winnie's tail, he want to do all the possible things which he can to save or to make her life better. So this is a big thing what one can do, and that is why we say that the noblest profession is that of doctors. The 3-month-old dolphin named Winnie, who she was found on a particularly cold December day in 2008, immediately stole Alex's heart. First time कब देखा था? It was in 2008 when Alex saw Winnie. And how old she was? At that time she was just 3 months old. So when he saw Winnie, oh my God. In time she would steal hearts around the world and inspire the 2011 movie Dolphin Tale. So this was the name of the movie in which she acted. Isn't it very strange? The name was Dolphin Tales and now she is without a tail. So this movie came in 2011 in which she plays herself. So she acted in that movie. It also starred top Hollywood actors like Brad Pitt and Angelina Jolie. Oh, topmost actors were the performers, and Winnie is the heroine of that movie, isn't it? Okay. Alex recalls his first meeting with the bottlenose dolphin. So when Alex was recalling, oh, in the flashback, I met her, I saw her. No, she was a bottlenose dolphin and she stole my heart the moment I saw her. Obviously, Winnie was very sick and badly injured. Now her condition was not good. क्या हो गया था विनी को? Winnie was badly injured or बीमार. And the people at the aquarium were heartbroken because everyone used to love Winnie a lot. और आज विनी की ये कंडीशन देखकर सब बहुत परेशान थे. They were just incredible with her, but they were taking lot of care of Winnie. What do you mean by incredible? Incredible means difficult to believe, amazing, working round the clock. There was never a moment that Winnie was without human contact. So everyone who was there was looking after Winnie like anything, like a small baby, and they were not leaving विनी अलोन, कोई भी विनी को अकेले नहीं छोड़ रहा था. दे वर नाउ हर अडॉप्टेड फैमिली, एक तरह से वो विनी की फैमिली बन गई थी. Just a moment. Yes. Alex got in touch with his colleague Tony. So this surgeon, prosthetic surgeon Alex, he got in touch with his colleague, one more colleague, Tony, who happened to live nearby in Florida. जहाँ पर विनी रहती थी, जिस जगह विनी रहती थी वहीं फ्लोरिडा में एलेक्स का एक और कुलीग था. So he got in touch with him. The two of them quickly threw themselves into the project. They both arrived and they thought, they did a mind-boggling session कि हम बेस्ट क्या कर सकते हैं विनी की कंडीशन को इम्प्रूव करने के लिए. They had built prosthetics for birds, horses and dogs before, but never a dolphin. इन दोनों ने मिलकर पहले किस किस के लिए आर्टिफिशियल बॉडी पार्ट्स बनाए थे? बर्ड्स के लिए, हॉर्सेस के लिए, डॉग्स के लिए, बट किसी भी डॉल्फिन के लिए पहले कभी नहीं बनाए थे. Alex and Tony had to first figure out whether fake tail would even help Winnie, because it was totally a new thing for them which they were thinking about. तो वो ये सोच रहे थे कि अगर हम एक टेल बना भी देते हैं तो क्या वो सक्सेसफुल रहेगी, विनी को हेल्प करेगी. Anyways, the dolphin could still swim on her own despite losing her entire tail. अभी भी विनी स्विम कर पाती थी, ऑल्दो उसने अपनी पूरी की पूरी टेल लूज कर दी थी. बट किस तरह से स्विम करती थी और क्या खो दिया था उसने? एंड 2 vertebrae. What are vertebrae? It is one of the smallest bone which is forming the backbone. So it means छोटी छोटी बोन्स जिनकी हमारी पूरी बैकबोन बनी है, उसमें से 2 बोन्स लूज कर चुकी थी, वर्टिब्रे लूज कर चुकी थी. She had adapted learning to swim side to side. Right now she is swimming side to side. The way a fish or shark would. किसकी तरह? फिशेस की तरह, शार्क की तरह अब वो स्विम करती थी. इंस्टेड ऑफ द अप एंड डाउन मोशन यूजुअल फॉर डॉल्फिन्स. ऐसे स्विम कर ही नहीं पाती थी अप एंड डाउन मोशन में जैसे कि डॉल्फिन स्विम करती है, बिकॉज शी हैज लॉस्ट हर वर्टिब्रे and 2 vertebrae and her tail. So life was definitely difficult for her. She couldn't swim as fast or jump as high as most dolphins. ना तो वो उतना फास्ट तैर पाती थी और ना ही उतना जंप कर पाती थी जो कि अदर डॉल्फिन्स कर पाती थी. But the real problem was that she was slowly damaging her spine. चलो ये चीज़ भी चल जाती, बट प्रॉब्लम क्या आ रही है कि स्लोली एंड स्लोली शी वॉज लूजिंग हर स्पाइन. बैकबोन में उसकी प्रॉब्लम आती जा रही थी, इंक्रीज हो रही थी. सो दैट वॉज द बिगेस्ट प्रॉब्लम टू टैकल. सो दे फेल्ट दैट बाय फिटिंग हर विद द प्रोस्थेटिक डिवाइस विनी कुड गेट स्विमिंग इन द राइट मैनर अगेन. सो बोथ ऑफ देम, Alex and Tony, what they thought, that if the tail will be fixed at the right place, so it will help Winnie to swim the way she was swimming before. The challenges in creating such a device were manifold. अब challenges बहुत ज़्यादा थे. Manifold means ample number of challenges. बहुत सारे challenges. It is not easy to fit a prosthetic limb and then make it move the way a usual part of our body moves. So बिल्कुल भी आसान नहीं था एक प्रोस्थेटिक लिम्ब को बनाकर फिट करना और फिर वो पार्ट, वो प्रोस्थेटिक लिम्ब उसी तरह से वर्क करे जैसे कि नेचुरल गॉड गिवन पार्ट वर्क करता है. सो देयर वर मल्टीपल चैलेंजेस इन दैट. This one would attach to the end of Winnie's body. Obviously it is a tail, so it would be attaching at the end, and had to move side to side, up and down and gently twist as she swam. तो उसको साइड में भी मूव कराना था, अप एंड डाउन भी कराना था और उसकी ट्विस्टिंग भी प्रॉपर होनी चाहिए. So there were many challenges. It also needed to attach properly to her stump. That was again a big challenge. टेल, अब टेल रिमूव हो गई है, तो विदाउट द टेल द रेस्ट ऑफ द बॉडी पार्ट इज कॉल्ड अ स्टम्प. सो व्हाट वाज द नेक्स्ट चैलेंज? इट ऑल्सो नीडेड टू अटैच प्रॉपरली टू हर स्टम्प. सो जो बचा हुआ बॉडी पार्ट है उससे अटैच हो जानी चाहिए ये टेल प्रॉपरली, अच्छी तरीके से. दिस वॉज पर्टिकुलरली डिफिकल्ट. एलेक्स एक्सप्लेन्स. तो एलेक्स, व्हाट एलेक्स सेड, ये कोई आसान नहीं है. इट इज़ वेरी डिफिकल्ट बिकॉज डॉल्फिन्स हैव डेलिकेट स्किन. प्रॉब्लम कहाँ आती है? जो डॉल्फिन की स्किन होती है वो बहुत डेलिकेट होती है. ह्यूमन स्किन इज ऑल्सो फ्रेजाइल. हम लोगों की स्किन भी बहुत फ्रेजाइल होती है, मीन्स वल्नरेबल होती है, खराब हो जाती है बहुत जल्दी. But I can scratch my nail across my skin. So he gave the example that when I scratch the nail across my skin, what happens? And in a couple of minutes that mark is gone. Have you experienced? अब scratch करके देखिए अपनी स्किन पर, तो आपको एक निशान दिखेगा और थोड़ी देर बाद वो गायब हो जाता है. After that also our skin is called fragile. But what happens with the dolphins? Let's see. But if I put the same mark, that same mark on the dolphin skin 6 weeks later, I would come back and that mark would still be there. See, so it is so much delicate. If the same mark is put on the dolphin skin, so 6 weeks, 6 हफ्तों के बाद भी वो मार्क वहीं पर होता है, तो उनकी स्किन बहुत ज़्यादा डेलिकेट होती है. सो दिस इज़ वन ऑफ द बिगेस्ट चैलेंज. Alex and Tony, who lost his own leg in a lawn-moving accident as a child, worked with an engineer to develop a new material nicknamed Vinny Gel. So इन दोनों ने क्या किया था? उन्होंने एक लेग, उनका खुद का एक लेग चला गया था. So what they did? They developed a new material जिसको कि उन्होंने क्या बोला है? Nicknamed as Vinny Gel. That would help Winnie bear her new body part easily. Okay. Tony tested it on himself first. So before putting it on the Winnie's body, Tony ने उसको खुद पर टेस्ट किया. And when they put it on Winnie next week, nothing was wrong. और फिर जब उन्होंने सेम चीज़ विनी के बॉडी में पुट की, तो दे फाउंड इट, यस, इट इज़ अकोमोडेटिंग. The team began preparing the dolphin for her new prosthetic. So उसके बाद इन दोनों की टीम ने क्या स्टार्ट किया? विनी के लिए एक नया प्रोस्थेटिक, नया बॉडी पार्ट बनाना स्टार्ट किया. Starting with a very small tail, so she could slowly become used to it. पहले एक बहुत छोटी सी टेल बनाई जिससे कि वो उसके लिए used to it हो जाए कि ओके, हाँ ठीक है, एकदम से उतनी बड़ी टेल नहीं बनाई. Trainers coached her to once again move her body up and down. वो तो भूल ही चुकी थी अपनी बॉडी अप एंड डाउन मूव करने के लिए, वो साइड बाय साइड मूव करती थी. सो देयर वर ट्रेनर्स, कोचेस, उन्होंने विनी को सिखाया कि अपनी बॉडी को अप एंड डाउन कैसे मूव करना है उस छोटी सी टेल के साथ. Over the course of a year, the team gradually increased the size of the tail to match with her now 230-pound body. See, because the body of the dolphins is very heavy, तो उसी के हिसाब से tail भी थोड़ी बड़ी चाहिए. But उसमें कितना टाइम लगा? Slowly and steadily, within a year, they have increased the size. उस साइज को धीरे धीरे बढ़ाया जिससे कि उसके 230 पाउंड की बॉडी के साथ वो टेल जेल कर पाए. And Winnie began swimming as she had before the accident. And see the magic and the hard work and the love and the affection. Because of that, what happened? Winnie was able to swim the way she was swimming before. Isn't it magical? We knew it was going to happen, but when it happened, it was just awesome, Alex says, about the first time Winnie used the full prosthetic. सो व्हाट एलेक्स सेड? एलेक्स सेड हमें पता था कि ये होगा, जरूर होगा, वी वर कॉन्फिडेंट, बट व्हेन इट हैपेंड, और जब वो हुआ तो उसके बराबर कुछ भी नहीं था. इट वॉज ऑसम, इट वॉज परफेक्ट. तो जब विनी का फुल प्रोस्थेटिक उतनी ही बड़ी टेल बन गई जितनी पहले थी, सो दिस वॉज द रिमार्क विच वॉज गिवन बाय एलेक्स, हु वॉज द part of that project. Just to see this very clean, correct, smooth motion in the water, it was absolutely breathtaking. So what Alex said कि विनी को इस तरह से तैरते हुए देखकर, बिल्कुल वैसे ही जैसे कोई नेचुरली अपनी टेल के साथ स्विमिंग करता है, ऐसा देखना मेरे लिए ब्रेथ टेकिंग मोमेंट है. मीन्स आई कांट एक्सप्रेस माई हैप्पीनेस, माई enjoyment, how happy I am when I am seeing that Winnie is able to swim the way she used to do before. Working with Winnie has become a hobby for Alex and Tony. अब वो ज़्यादातर किसके साथ रहते थे? विनी के साथ, who still often visit her at the clear water. बीच बीच में वो आज भी विनी को देखने के लिए आते हैं. The facility itself was nearing closing down for lack of money when Winnie arrived, but has now become a major tourist attraction. जब स्टार्टिंग में विनी आई थी and she was not in good state at that time, there were lot of problems, there were no funds, and this particular facility was about to get closed. बंद होने वाली थी ये जगह. बट आज वही जगह, आज उसी जगह पर people are coming in scores. It is difficult to handle the people, and especially क्या देखने के लिए आते हैं? विनी को देखने के लिए. So it has become a major tourist attraction. Thousands of visitors, including many wounded soldiers and children with disabilities, throng the aquarium daily. See, when something different is being done, so the people who are already facing difficulties in their life, definitely those people are also visiting that place. What do you mean by throng? To be present in large numbers means बहुत सारे लोग आते हैं. Throng the aquarium daily. Daily आते हैं इस aquarium को देखने के लिए in large numbers. Winnie inspires them and gives them hope. So Winnie is a source of hope for all those who have disabilities. So kids, I hope you enjoyed the story. It is an amazing and incredible story and many things to learn, that nothing is impossible. Impossible always says, I am possible. We should have dedication and determination towards the goal which we want to achieve. So कुछ भी मुश्किल नहीं है, सब कुछ achievable है. So now we will be doing the word meanings. The first one is scores. I have already told you its meaning is many. Prosthetic, an artificial body part. Amputated, cut off a body part by surgical operation. Means उस part को जो कि खराब हो चुका है उसको cut off कर देना surgery के द्वारा. Incredible, it's very difficult to believe. It's incredible. Vertebrae, the small bone or the number of bones forming the backbone. What is a device? A tool to make particular thing. Stump, part of the body left after amputation. Okay, amputation means वो वाला part आपका remove हो गया और जो body रह गई है, that is called stump. Delicate, that can be easily damaged. जिसको कि हम easily damage कर सकते हैं, बहुत delicate जो होता है. Gradually, gradually means slowly and steadily, धीरे धीरे. Throng, throng means to present in large numbers. Prank, it's a joke. Figure out, you have to find out, try to understand. Manifold, many in number, numerous. Fragile, fragile means easily hurt, एकदम से खराब होने वाला. Pound, a measure of weight. So please learn all these word meanings. Now we will come to the comprehension part. Okay, I'll just move it a little bit up. Darken the circle of correct option in OMR sheet. At first the officials thought the call was a, yes, it is a prank. सबको क्या लगा कि ये कॉल एक prank है because the doctor, he is the world famous personality. How can he call us? Alex was one of the world's leading prosthetic. Please learn to spell it. Prosthetic. And who is the prosthetic? Who fixes an artificial body part. So he was a specialist in that. It is prosthetic. Winnie was 3 months old dolphin. She was 3 months old dolphin. 3. Winnie was slowly damaging her. What was the problem? Spine. She was damaging her spine. Okay. Spine is the correct answer. Okay, now fill in the blanks. He wanted to see that if he could build the animal a prosthetic tail. Which type of tail? A prosthetic tail. So what I'll be writing here? Prosthetic. Prosthetic tail. So this is the first one. She would steal the hearts around the world and inspire the 2011 movie. What was the name of the movie? Correct. It was Dolphin Tale. Just a moment, kids. I'll just fix it. I'll just move it a little bit up and I will just erase it. So I'll write prosthetic over here again. There is some problem with it. So prosthetic, and the second one is dolphin tail. Dolphin tail. They were just incredible with her. Incredible with her. Human skin is also what? Fragile. Trainers, what the trainers did? Trainers coached her to once again move her body up and down. So trainers, COACHED. So this completes your exercise. I hope you enjoyed the story. So bye, take care and have a nice day.